Now let's move on to the next exercise where we are going to discuss match the columns. Column number 1, it came as a joyous day. Men would be guaranteed the rights. Rightful place, we must not do wrongs. Fresh from narrow jails, no. Rooted in the American dream, no. To end the long night of captivity. So ये यहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा सूट कर रहा है. It came as a joyous day to end the long night of captivity. Statement number 6. Second one is, the life of the Negroes is still sadly crippled. 9. Third one is, this note was a promise that all men would be guaranteed the rights. 1. The next one is, now is the time to make real the promise of democracy. 10. The next one is, in the process of gaining our rightful place, we must not do the wrongs. So this is the correct answer. 2. The next one is, there are those who are asking the devotees of civil rights. So the answer is 11. The next one is, some of you have come fresh from narrow jail cells. 3. The next one is, it is a dream deeply rooted in the American dream. 4. We will be able to heave out of the mountain of despair. 7. And the last one is, when all of us will be able to join hands. 8. So we are done with this exercise as well. I hope you have understood this very well. Thank you.